Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Charan, who your host. So in this video, I'm lace swapping this pleasures, Puma Suede XL pleasures. I've already done on the right pair. I'm gonna show you on the left pair in detail. So I thought of making a video like wherein it might help people, and I've already made a video on VTG Classics, but this is a classic model. So stay tuned and stay till the end of the video, and do share the feedback. Chalo. And after this, I won't be speaking. I mean, I'll be giving the captions, but I'll be adding the music. All right, chalo, let's get started. So here you see that I'm gonna quickly unlace this. And I'll add the timestamps for people who wanna skip this, skip the lace, skip the unlacing part as well. Is it visible, or like I need to add another light or something? Let me take this to the lighting segment. And this is a small channel, guys, so I'm using the light which I'm using in the room itself, the regular light, tube light we call it in India. So when it comes to the lacing history, I was always fascinated from my childhood, like to lace not only the shoes, anything which I get to see with a rope or something. Like I used to knot. Maybe that's the experience which I've got, knotting them and lacing them. Let me throw this aside. Alright, so is it focusing? Cameraman focusing. Is it focusing? Now that I've removed the laces on the left pair, let's get started. So make sure to loosen up this up. What I do is like do this thing just to keep them in flat condition. So though for this particular sneaker we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eyelets. Alright, so for the better grip I've used the same paper which is already there in that, so I'm going to use it. I'm not sure if these are 120 centimeters or like 20 mm, because these are pretty different when I compare these with the regular classic models, because in the classic models you get to see the sizing a little bit different, not major difference, but like quite a difference, I would say. Hope the audio is fine, because I'm not using any mic for this particular video, because I'll be adding a background music for this, so hope that's clear. To add it from the top, make sure to align it properly. This is a bit confusing. To be honest, we need to check for sure what is going to the right and what is going to the left. This is mandatory. I don't want to show I want to show the quick time-lapse version as well, and even the detailed version as well, like just to keep this easy, like because many people have difficulties lacing them in a proper way. And for the shoe, any lacing shoe I'm talking about, not the slip-ons or something, the shoe which has laces, if if it is tied in the proper way, it definitely gives a charm. It definitely gives a different look when compared to the slip-ons or something. I would say this is a canvas kind of thing, like where you can paint it. Make sure to paint it properly. What my feedback would be. And if you ask about my journey, right now I'm working in some MNC company. Yep. Morning now. Had right from the early age, like I used to see other people purchasing shoes and everything. I used to save up cash. What I do is like I just put it below the tongue for a better look, because I don't want to make this look ugly or something, like lacing it like this. For a better look, what I do is like put it below the tongue, because the lacing is quite good, but I'm not sure, I'm not happy, because this is wrong. This is quite wrong. Once in the coming video, I'm already making the archive video as well. I've already made, I guess. So in that video you can see the difference. So these are the Puma Suede XLs pleasures, which are pretty good. Differences. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye.